Hello, dear all beautiful learners. Welcome all again in our session of biology first paper subject, and we are started. We already completed many of the topics from chapter 8, and very last topics was vascular system, tissue system, and today we will try to understand about vascular bundle and its type. It is very important for any kinds of exam. It can be asking for short question, knowledge question, comprehensive types of questions, so it is important to know about that one. The vascular bundle, types of vascular bundle. Today we will discuss about types of vascular bundle. So first one we try to understand. First one is the conjoined vascular bundle. Conjoined vascular bundle. So very first time, another one thing I want to say here, on the basis the types of vascular bundle is actually very first one I have written the conjoined vascular bundle. So conjoined vascular bundle, if it is asking for, okay, on that time what will be happen there, on the basis of the position of xylem and phloem, on the basis of position of xylem and phloem, position of xylem and phloem. On the basis of position of xylem and phloem, the vascular bundle are categorized in several types. Very first one is the conjoined vascular bundle. So very first one, if we think about, so remains on the same radius. So look at here, conjoined means xylem and phloem. Vascular bundle, when we think about the conducting tissues, xylem and phloem be combined together. So xylem and phloem, okay, xylem and phloem combined together. Phloem elements combine together here, combine together. Xylem and phloem elements combined together, first one. And second one, what we think there, they remain situated on the same radius. They remain situated at the same radius. At the same radius. So this type of vascular bundle are called the conjoined vascular bundle. Though it is just I have written some points, we cannot understand. When we will draw the figure, that times it will be easily understandable for you. So there is two kinds of conjoined vascular bundle. Okay, one is the collateral, another one is the bilateral. So conjoined vascular bundle are of two kinds. Number one, collateral. I will make you understand. Right, first collateral, and another one is the bilateral. One is the collateral and another one is the bilateral. So what is the collateral? Conjoined vascular bundle are said to be collateral when xylem is situated towards the inner side. Here xylem situated inner side, where phloem situated, you can write the situated outside. With same radius. Okay, outside. Look at here, collateral and bilateral. There is the two kinds of the conjoined vascular bundle. I will draw the figure, that times it will be easily understandable. And this one is also, look at here, in which way I can ensure the difference. So now this one also have two kinds. Collateral are of two kinds. That one, first one, collateral closed, collateral closed, and one is the collateral closed and another one is the collateral open. Collateral open. It is very important to know. I will make you understand. At first write this one, collateral closed and collateral open. Okay, collateral closed means no cambium in between xylem and phloem. Cambium present in between xylem and phloem. I have written only the experimental written, but if there is no example in between them, that times how can we understood about that one? So I just try to draw some figure. Suppose I draw a figure like that, and I think that we can separate this one. Okay, I ensuring that this one in this way and dot dot. It is your way. How can you separate this one? Okay, it is the phloem, and it is the xylem. And I draw another figure. I will draw here. Look at here. And in between them, I ensuring a cambium layer. I just give it in this way. Similar phloem and xylem. Okay, by the way, now we need to understood what we have discussed here, and Sabrina Hussein watching, and walaikum salam. So look at here, conjoined vascular bundle. Now we will try to understand. Suppose this is a vascular bundle with xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem elements combined together. We have seen the xylem and phloem elements are combined together, so it is the conjoined vascular bundle. They remain situated at the same radius. Same radius means this, if we ensure that this one is the radius of with center maintaining, so same radius, xylem and phloem are present there. So they are called the conjoined vascular bundle. Since xylem and phloem elements combine together and they remain situated at the same radius, so they are called the conjoined vascular bundle. What the figure actually mentioning, we try to understand. So this conjoined vascular bundle are of two types. One is the collateral, another one is the bilateral. We don't write anything here about the bilateral, but we write here collateral. Collateral is actually xylem situated inner side where phloem outside. We have seen the inner side, xylem situated and phloem outside, so these are the collateral. These two figure actually belongs to collateral types of vascular bundle, where xylem situated inner side and phloem situated outside. But this collateral also have two kinds. One is the collateral closed, another one is the collateral open. Collateral closed means in between them there is no cambium, and in between them there is cambium. There is this simple difference, that collateral closed is there is no cambium in between xylem and phloem, but cambium is present in between xylem and phloem, but always xylem will be the inner side, phloem will be the outside. So in this way we can easily understand the types of collateral closed and collateral open. We draw the figure. We have left here another kinds. In case of conjoined vascular bundle, bilateral types, we will try to understand that one. Bilateral, what we have to going on through. Okay, there is some important another thing I forgot to write, that monocot stem and leaves. This one is the example of monocot stem and leaves. It is very important example. Monocot stem and leaves. You will also be written here. And collateral open, when it will be there, that times gymnosperm, stem of gymnosperm and dicot plants. The example of that one. from here, stem of gymnosperm and dicot plants. Dicot plants, we have seen the collateral open vascular bundle, and in case of the monocot stem and leaves, we have seen there is no cambium, so collateral closed type of vascular bundle. Another one is the bilateral. Bilateral types, xylem is situated in between two strips of the phloem. Xylem is situated in between two strips of phloem. Between two strips of phloem. Two strips of phloem. So what will be the figure of it? We will try to draw a figure in case of bilateral. Suppose I draw as the similar figure here, the similar figure, and I insert the cambium in there, and xylem is there I have drawn, and the phloem. Look at here. I think you understand this one, and you can easily get it back on that time. Look at here. So what is the figure we have drawn here? That is the important one. And importantly, we will try to understand the figure and understand the topics. Actually, there is mentioning xylem is situated between two strips of phloem. This one is the phloem. This one is the phloem, and this one is the xylem. Xylem is present in between the two strips. Cambium is separated there. In between the two strips means here phloem, xylem. Xylem is present in between the two strips of the phloem. That is very important one for having connection with the bilateral vascular bundle. Bilateral means in two side phloem, in middle will be the xylem. It is very important. Another one, bilateral. Okay, stem of gourd, pumpkin. Example is this one. Example, stem of gourd, pumpkin. These are the example of bilateral vascular bundle. So number one, conjoined vascular bundle detailed study. I think you understand everyone. I just review for one time. On the basis of the position of xylem and phloem, we divided or get the types of vascular bundle. Number one, conjoined vascular bundle. This conjoined vascular bundle are of many of the kinds. Conjoined vascular bundle are of two kinds, collateral and bilateral. And conjoined vascular bundle mentioning xylem and phloem elements are combined together and they remain in the same radius. Collateral means there, of course, their xylem will be xylem situated inner side and phloem situated outside, that one. And these collateral types are of two kinds. One is the collateral closed, another one is the collateral open. So collateral closed and collateral open is different. Collateral, that means collateral types closed. If there is no cambium in between them, that is the collateral closed, and in between xylem and phloem there is cambium, so that is the collateral open. And collateral closed, we have given some example, monocot stem and leaves, and collateral open we give example, stem of gymnosperm and dicot plants. And another one is the bilateral. Bilateral means the conjoined types. Two types, collateral and bilateral. Bilateral, xylem in between the two strips of the phloem. Phloem will be there, and in between them the xylem is there. So that is the bilateral. An example is stem of gourd and pumpkin. I hope so you understand these topics on the basis of that one. Yes, Sabrina Hussain, you asked me, what is cambium? Cambium, it is actually for secondary growth of the plant, we have found that one, and those part and strips can separate xylem and phloem. That means the vascular bundle, in between the vascular bundle or strip can be separated by two vascular bundle. They can separate the two vascular bundle on them. That is the cambium. Generally, there is also have the definition on that times. We will go through understanding after a while. So this is cambium. It is this layer. We have seen the strips layer that can separate the phloem and xylem in between them. So this is the total study about the conjoined vascular bundle. I hope so you can easily understand this one. Yes, alaikum salam Jaima, who are joining later. Nujat Tasnim, alaikum salam. It is not having panic. Sabrina joined. Salsabil Ibnat, alaikum salam. It is I take the class very importantly. Don't have panic. When I submit this one, you can do the class from first time. That will you can easily understand the topics. Okay. So another types now. It is the radial types. We'll try to understand. First one is complete. Second one. Now second types of the vascular bundle. Second types of vascular bundle. We will try to understand the second types of vascular bundle, and that is, I will draw this one. Radial vascular bundle. Radial. Number 2 is radial vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle. VV. I write the short form. You can write the radial vascular bundle. When xylem and phloem stand remain arranged different radii. Okay. Xylem and phloem. Okay, strands remain arranged. Strands remain arranged on different radii. Radii means radius. Different radii. Short form. This vascular bundle is called radial vascular bundle, and the best example of root of gymnosperm and angiosperm. Root of gymnosperm and angiosperm. This type of vascular bundle can be found in the roots of gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, importantly, we can go through understanding about that one. Different radii. Xylem and phloem are totally go on through the different radii. So there we can try to draw a figure on that times. So we will try to understand about that points. First one, we draw this one. We try to draw this one. We will try to draw this one in this way. Okay, we draw, suppose this is the xylem. I make it mine. Okay, this is a xylem. If we give just, it is your way, you can give this for understanding or marking like that. So this is the different radii, and in between them we try to draw another layer, that is the phloem. They have not the similar what we have seen in them in the previous time, where xylem and phloem were in the same radii, but here xylem and phloem are the different radii. That means in one vascular bundle, what we have seen in before, this one, there is the xylem or phloem like that. In this way we draw that figure, same radii in between them, but here we just see there, this is the xylem and these are the phloem. They have the different radii. That means they are placed in the different radius. So this is called radial vascular bundle. So xylem and phloem strands remain arranged in different radii, and in the gymnosperm and angiospermic root we have seen this kinds of vascular bundle. It is the radial vascular bundle. This is the figure. You also mentioning here figure, what the figure mentioning, you must figure radial vascular bundle. So very importantly, we try to understand this one, radial vascular bundle. We understood this one. Now we will try to understand, okay, another one, go through understanding. I think you understand this one, radial vascular bundle, and on the basis of that parts, yes, actually we will try to understand another one or third types, that is the concentric vascular bundle. Concentric, number third, concentric vascular bundle. Concentric vascular bundle, xylem and phloem elements are arranged in the located at the center. Xylem and phloem located at the center and encircled by others. Xylem and phloem located at the center and encircled by others. So this is the concentric vascular bundle. There is two kinds of concentric vascular bundle. One is hydrocentric, and another one is leptocentric. Hydrocentric and leptocentric. Okay, xylem present at the center here, xylem center, and phloem encircled. Xylem center, phloem encircled, and leptocentric, phloem center and xylem encircled around. So if we try to draw the figure here, normally this is a center and this is outside. Center is the xylem, I draw this one, and phloem is the outside. This is the hydrocentric, and another figure, another drawing. Okay, their phloem will be in the center and xylem will be the outside. Just I draw, you can make it more thin and encircled. So this one is the number 2 figure, that means the leptocentric. Very important this one. So try to draw this one, my dear students. Which one and which way we will try to understand? Very easiest way means the vascular bundle types is very important for exam. It is asking in many way. Okay, so hydrocentric, xylem centric. So it is hydrocentric. Xylem centric means xylem will be the center, xylem, phloem, and leptocentric is the phloem centric. That means phloem in the center and xylem will be encircled around. So this way we can explain about the types of concentric vascular bundle. And the another one thing I make sure here, Teres, Laginella, Lycopodium is the example. Teres example important. This example for MCQ and SQ types of Teres, Lycopodium, and another one Laginella. Laginella is the example, etc. is the hydrocentric, we can write, and leptocentric is Dracaena, Euca, example Dracaena, Dracena, Euca. So these are the leptocentric, heterocentric and leptocentric. This is very important to know about their types. So my dear students, we learn very important topics today. Types of the vascular bundle. Very first one, the conjoined vascular bundle. Second one is the radial vascular bundle, and third one is the concentric vascular bundle with their figure definition and many of the things. Conjoined vascular bundle, collateral and bicollateral, we have seen, and collateral also be open and close, we have seen, and their types, their variations, their definition, their example, their figure we understood by doing that one. And then radial, their main difference in the other all parts or conjoined to radial have the different radius, the xylem and phloem be situated. But in the conjoined, they were all of them are in the same radius. And concentric, the centric to circle, that means one is the heterocentric, means xylem will be the centric in the heterocentric, leptocentric phloem is center and other part. That means xylem and phloem, on the basis of the position of xylem and phloem, we categorize the vascular bundle types. These are the very important topics. Who are later joining, please, after publishing the video on your specific group, you will just do the class from starting to till end. So you will be very beneficial about having this class. So that's all about today, my dear students. Take care, everyone. We will start with the new topics in the next class. Everyone, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.